fact that we just recently completed this fasting mimicking diet, part of Walter Longo's research from the Longevity Diet book, which I've written all about in my blog, and I just briefly touched upon in a previous video. So first off, in this video, you'll see some of the meals that we ate, which are like 200 to 300 calorie meals during the fasting mimicking diet, which was a very produce rich. It was just vegetables and plant fats for 3 meals a day, total of 800 calories a day for the final 4 days of the fast. The first day was a little more. These pictures here of me in these very old shorts, feeling how I felt, and something just really kind of clicked.